Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best drawing tablet under $100. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, XP Pen. Model number, Deco 02. XP Pen Deco 02 drawing tablet has a slick newly designed silver roller with hollow mirror plating. The roller wheel is designed to streamline your workflow and operate non-intrusively through its silent dial roll. Roll the dial on both sides to make your adjustments and navigate around your workspace effortlessly. Deco 02 drawing pen tablet features in 6 round, customizable shortcut keys that fit easily to your fingertip for creating a highly ergonomic and convenient work platform. 10 into 5.63 inch working area, offering you enough space to draw and create with ease. Designed for both right and left hand users, now you can set it to left hand or right hand mode through easy access. Number 4. Brand name, Xinhui. Model number, X1. X1 graphics tablet is designed for gameplay, drawing, painting, sketching, e-signatures, etc. Battery-free stylus making lines flow quicker and smoother, enhancing overall performance. 6 into 4 inch drawing area. The whole panel is closer to the feeling of real hand-painted, better detail performance. As thin as 2.85 mm at the drawing area that blend into your studio workbench. 5 customizable express keys could be set to more functions as you like. Using them while working will largely improve your workflow. Embedded with highly accurate pressure sensor that generates real 8K levels of pen pressure. The battery-free pen features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, 2,560 lines per inch pen resolution, and virtually no lag. Number 3. Brand name, XP Pen. Model number, Deco 01. The XP Pen Deco 01 is provided with 10 into 6.25 inch working area, so you have more space to create and get work done. Super lightweight panel with compact design and delicate craftsmanship, offers a no delay or no chopping excellent drawing experience. The Deco 01 features 8 customized express keys that saving your time and making your drawing smoother. Designed for both right and left hand user. Remove all limitations and set out to what you want to be. Drawing tablet with ultra thin and ergonomically designed. 8 mm thickness offers you ultra portability. Lightweight, carry it anywhere without any burden. 4 LED lights in the edge indicate the active drawing area. Number 2. Brand name, Xiaoman. Model number, M10K Pro. M10K Pro can be compatible with Android operating system 6.0 or later. Connect the tablet to your mobile Android phone or tablet with OTG adapter, then we can start art creation freely. Passive stylus a P32 with 8,192 levels pressure sensitivities and 266 pps report rate, which makes you freely output your inspiration immediately, providing you accurate and smoothly drawing experience. Tilt sensitivity makes a digital stylus to draw as natural as a normal pencil. With this function, when you use the pen on a slant angle, it changes the behavior of the strokes from a normal line to shaded ones, just like on a normal pencil. Number 1. Brand name, Xiaoman. Model number, S620. You can use Xiaoman S620 pen tablet for online education and remote meeting. It works with most online meeting programs, like Zoom, and so on. Battery-free pen cuts the inconvenience of charging the pen. It will provide you precise control and accuracy at your fingertips, to bring more natural lines and enhance creative performance. 4 customizable express keys could be set to more functions as you like. Using them while working will largely improve your workflow. It works with Android devices with 6.0 or above system which support OTG function. 4 rubber are created to ensure the stability of the tablet from slipper.